there, it's Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And today we're cooking up some Basil Oregano Pesto. And I'm going to tell you why this is so good. Because research shows that 1/8 of a cup of fresh basil every day, it helps significantly boost dopamine levels in your brain. And this leads to better motivation and focus. So when you combine it with fresh oregano, oh my goodness, you amplify this effect. Plus, both are amazing for clearing the body of excess yeast and bacteria to really strengthen your immune system. And this strengthens your thyroid, your adrenal glands, and the bottom line is, you just feel really good. And the nice thing is, it tastes so good. So all you do is you put 3 cups of fresh basil. But what I love to do is I just get a basil plant, and then this goes in my garden. And I've got basil already growing throughout the whole summer. This is so good for summer. So I just throw it in, and this is so easy. You just put in some olive oil. You know what? I'm so goofy, I don't even measure. I just put in as much as I think it needs, and then if I need more, I'll put a little more in. This is nutritional yeast. Now, a lot of people put Parmesan cheese in their pesto, but I don't eat dairy. I'm dairy free, so this gives it that cheesy flavor, and it's so good. So we're gonna throw some of this in. And of course, you have to put garlic in pesto, right? And the last ingredient, these are pine nuts, which is traditionally put in pesto, but I put in sunflower seeds. Now, sunflower seeds, they are loaded with zinc. Zinc is so good for your hormones and for the energy levels, for aches and pains in your body. So let's blend this up and see how it turns out. Here we go. Look how simple, how easy that was. Oh my goodness, just check this out. We've got our basil pesto, basil oregano pesto. And I'll tell you a fun story. You know, I went into menopause about 8 months ago. I'm a lot older than the regular menopausal age, but this has saved my life. So I'm gonna just taste it. It really helps with your hormones, this basil. So here we go. Fabulous. Oh, so good. And if you like this, hey, check out my YouTube channel and subscribe so you can get more and more recipes like this. And if you want to get your toes wet and jump into one of my programs, we have some great deals on my Eat Your Way to Healthy program and my Think Your Way to Healthy program. So jump over to catherinechess.com, check them out, and I look forward to seeing you there. See you soon. Subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.